adding money in Google Ads account is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. We will log into our Google account. If you're here for the first time, it will prompt you to create a new Google account or switch accounts. Simply click on your Google Ads. After a few seconds, a new screen will appear, asking you to create your first campaign in a few simple steps. Here, you can add your business information, create your ads, and set your budget. However, for now, we will skip this campaign creation. Next, fill out the form, scroll down, check yes, and click on Submit. Click on Explore your account once again. Now, you'll see the main dashboard of your Google Ads account. On the left side, you'll find options for campaigns, goals, tools, billing, admin, and create. Click on Billing. The next step involves setting up your payments. Select your country, region, and there's no need to choose your currency as it will be automatically selected. The account type field is crucial, so choose carefully between organization or individual. You can also edit your name here. Afterward, provide your address and switch from automatic payment to manual payment. Enter the amount you want to add to your account. The final payment method step involves adding your card number and its expiry date. Since this is an educational video, I won't be filling it in. Review your form once more and click on I agree to Google Ads terms, then click Submit. That's how you can add money to your Google Ads account.